Grandfather, did you hear what he said? I have been trying to cause...
Yes.
I was trying to think hard.
Yes.
I didn't speak a word. Who came and spoke here?
Calm down. She's right, Sid. Why do you always pull Mithai's leg? Can't you see that Mithai is trying to make a new sweet?
Shri, I was asking, what's wrong with Ratul? It looks like he's upset. I think he's angry about the thread incident. I don't understand what's wrong with him lately. He was so jovial before.
Nanda. I'm the reason why Ratul has become so serious. The circumstances under which we got married. Forget it. Let it be.
Got it. Grandfather,
Yes?
Lord has helped me.
What?
Mithai has got an idea. Got it. Yes.
What?
Yes. Let me make the sweet and then just see the wonder. I'm telling you, Grandfather.
Appa, you have come.
What have you done? Rajiv has also bought yogurt.
Brother, I come here daily. Did you see who has come here today? See them. Shri, come. Ratul, come here. Ratul, Samresh has come. Seek his blessings.
It's okay, my child. It's okay.
Sorry, uncle. I didn't notice you.
It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. I bless you. Be happy. Ratul, please take care of my daughter. Look, she's very straightforward. She loves being that way. But you won't find a person with a pure heart like her. I can assure you that. You may face several problems in life, but Shri will always support you. Right, Shri?
Dad, you love me so much. I never realized it when I was in this house. Go and get changed. I'll make tea for you.
Did you see that, Appa? Shri has become so mature after marriage. Listen to me. I don't need tea. You go and have fun. We are happy when we see all of you having fun. Where's Dad?
I'm here. Samresh, listen to me. We are making a new sweet today. If everybody likes the sweet, we'll set it at Siddheshwar Modak's shop. We'll discuss this when Som comes back.
Shom. Don't talk about him, Dad. I have hardly seen anybody so irresponsible as him. How long will he ignore business and work and stay out of the station?
So, Shom is the son of this family. He's my elder brother. You, please don't say such things about Shom before everybody, please. Shom participated in our family get-together the last time. I'm sure he couldn't make it today because of the restrictions.
Get-together? What kind of get-together?
The virtual get-together, uncle. All of us had arranged it. Everybody joined the meet through their cell phones and laptops. And yeah, Shom also participated in it.
Grandpa? Huh? I never imagined that Modak family would forget everything else and discuss about me.
Here he is. Som is here. Welcome, son. Welcome. Hey, Samresh, just ask Som where he was all this time.
I had some personal work, Grandpa.
You heard him. You heard his answer, Dad. Now, please ask your grandson, what was this personal work for which he ignored business and work?
Shall I say it before everybody? I went to find out my identity. Mother brought me here from an orphanage. I've been trying to find out for a long time who is my biological mother. I went to meet someone for the same purpose. And I got stuck there. Sorry, Grandpa. I've ruined your atmosphere. Hey, Shri, you are looking so beautiful. Hey, wait. It's okay. You look so beautiful. Where is the new groom? Rajiv, where is Ratul?
He was here. Where did he disappear? Wait, I'll go and check.
Rajiv,
Huh?
I will go and check.
My sister seems crazy about her husband.
That's very natural, Shom. After marriage, every wife is crazy for her husband. I don't know if the opposite is also
It
true.
happened to me.
It happens to me, even now.
What?
Yes. Yes.
Did you see the old man? He also has joined the young group.
Okay, Mom, what else can he do? Dad, this is love, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Eureka!
What?
What?
Got it. I have got a name for it.
Oh, wow.
Wow,
This
it's
looks
so beautiful.
beautiful.
This
You know
looks
what the name
beautiful.
of this sweet is?
What?
What is that?
What?
Love!
Wow!
Yay!
I have made this sweet in honor of Sister Shri and Brother Ratha's love. Lord, keep them happy. All of you repeat after me. Hey, Lord!
Lord!
Now I'll arrange the sweets. Let's go.
Yes, let's go. Come.
Yes. Let's go.
Yes,
Let's go. It looks delicious.
No, not at all.
Let me taste one. Okay.
No.
I don't understand why everybody in this family is crazy after sweets. I don't know why I feel that Shri went upstairs to guard Ratul. Shall I go and check what's happening? Nipa? I was looking for you everywhere, and you are here on terrace. Why are you crying? Listen, Nipa, everybody's enjoying downstairs. Please, come downstairs. Mithai is making some special sweet. Please.
I'll come after some time, Ratul.
Can I say something, Nipa? Whatever was destined has happened. Don't think of the past and get upset. Try to forget everything and you'll feel better. Or else you'll fall sick. Please try to understand, Nipa.
I'm trying my best, Ratul. But, whenever I think of my stupid mistake, for which so many people had to suffer. I've been feeling very guilty, Ratul.
Why can't I go there? Shall I go there? What if Ratul thinks that I interfered so that they can't talk? No. It won't be wise to go there. But everybody is calling them downstairs. How do I handle it? If anybody else sees them here, they will be misunderstood.
Nipa, please come out of this guilty feeling. Please, Nipa. You'll feel better if you start your life afresh. You'll feel better, trust me. You can do something. This family is enjoying and having a good time. You can record the videos and upload them the way you used to do it earlier.
No, Ratul. I don't like doing all this anymore. Listen, Ratul. Is Shri happy? Whenever I look at her, I feel so bad. Her life changed drastically because of me. She had a lot of dreams. She wanted to be a lecturer and get a PhD from a renowned... Shri? Come.
No, actually, everybody is calling you downstairs. So, Mithai is making a new sweet.
Yes. I'm going downstairs.
Som is calling you downstairs.
Can I ask you something, Shri? What were you doing standing there? What do you think? Do you think that I'm so bad that I have come to secretly meet Nipa? You were trying to sneak out after seeing us. What next? You would have kept quiet. If anybody questioned you, then you would have said you were talking to Ratul. Right? The way you come and defend me all the time, I feel very worthless because of that. Do you even realize that?
What are you doing, Ratul? Why are you getting so worked up? Nobody told you anything. You already have some preconceived notions in your mind.
It would be better if you make it clear to me. You could have directly come and asked me. Why was I talking to Nipa? What we were discussing? You could have asked me. Then why didn't you ask me?
That's strange, Ratul. I never thought about it.
Yes, you thought about it, Shri. You thought about it. Or you would have spontaneously come and joined us the way you used to. But you didn't do it. Why, Shri? Why? I can't stand so much of secrets and lies. I can't control myself anymore. I can't, Shri.
Shri, I'll go and tell Grandpa that you'll stay in this house from today. You don't have to go anywhere.
What's this? Why are you all of you here? What happened?
You know what, Sid? You're very particular about your privacy and your private space. But don't you think you should do the same with others? Right?
Look, Ratul, please don't make me say anything. After hearing the tone in which you have been talking to Shri over here, I've kept quiet and I have controlled myself. And I think that's a big deal.
Otherwise, would you beat me up?
Keep quiet, Ratul. Ratul, you're not in your senses. Please keep quiet. He has not said anything to you for which you should react in this way.
Do you really think so? Huh? Can't you hear the tone in which your brother is talking?
And what about your tone when you were talking to Shri? Have you forgotten it? Look, Shri, I will repeatedly tell you not to compromise so much. Shri, you don't deserve this. I can't tolerate all this. Listen, I'll go and tell Grandpa that you'll stay here from today. You'll stay here the way you used to stay. You won't go anywhere, that's it.
No, Sid. Listen to me. No, Sid, no.
Brother Ratul, I apologize to you for Siddharth's behavior. You are a mature person. Please don't get angry. Will you calm down and talk to Siddharth once, please? Please.
Mithai, I also have some self-respect. What did Sid tell Shri when we came here? Be an achiever. Be successful. He was pointing at me, right? And now? I can't stand it anymore, Mithai. I can't stand it. What's my fault in all this? That I have to experience such a situation? What's my fault?
Sid, please stop, Sid. Please don't do this, Sid. Sid, please, have you lost your mind, Sid? Do you want to share this with Grandpa?
I don't understand, Shri. I mean, what do you exactly want to do with your life? Will you tolerate Ratul's rude behavior and stay with him? Why will you stay with him?
Sid, you just can't understand my situation. Please don't interfere, I'll handle everything. Look, Ratul is not a bad person. He's a nice person, a decent guy. It's just that we got married under unpleasant circumstances. And all of his outbursts are a result of it.
You know what, Shri? I can't stand all this. Women start treating their husbands as God after marriage. I can't accept this fact. I can't tolerate it. Mom also did the same. And this is the reason why Mom gradually broke down within herself. And today you are walking on the same... Shri, look, I was a kid back then. I was not in a position to say anything. But I can't let the same happen to you now, Shri. You'll stay in this house from today. You don't have to go anywhere.
No, Sid, please calm down. Speak softly.
What's the matter? Siddharth? What has Ratul said? Shri, what has Ratul done? Please tell me.
Nothing has happened,
please.
Rajiv. Nothing.
Ratul, where are you?
Don't lose your temper.
Hold on.
Relax.
What problem? Ratul, where are you? Come here quickly. What happened? What did you tell Sri?
Do you consider me a criminal or what? Why are you interrogating me? Shri, what did I tell you?
Seriously, Ratul. Were you speaking normally to Shri? Does everyone speak like this? Tell me. You were literally accusing Shri, Ratul. Look, Ratul. Shri took the decision to marry you for the sake of two families. She was forced to do it. And it was her biggest mistake. She didn't listen to my advice. She was very keen to sacrifice her life, or else all this wouldn't have happened. In fact, she still wants to sacrifice her life. Hence, she doesn't want me to take any steps.
What step will you take? Divorce. I'm really surprised to see you, Sid. Did you ever see yourself? Did you ever see how you talk to Mithai and in what tone? Have you ever thought about it? How can you blame me?
So you are judging me, Ratul. Me. Can't you see what mistakes you are making? Huh? I won't let Shri go anywhere with you, Ratul. That's final.